BankSocial Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The BankSocial Wallet app aims to reshape how people think about community banking in the crypto world. But is it really a step toward financial equality, or just another buzzworthy project? Let's find out. BankSocial is built on the idea of social finance, where users collectively support and benefit from the network's growth. One of its biggest pros is its community-based rewards model. Holders of the BankSocial token BSL can earn reflections, meaning a portion of every transaction is redistributed to the community. It's like earning passive income just for being part of the ecosystem. Another strength is security and transparency. The wallet gives users full control of their private keys, meaning it's non-custodial. You own your funds, and no third party can access or freeze them. This aligns with the core philosophy of decentralization. The app also includes integrated lending and staking features, allowing users to earn additional returns while keeping assets within their control. It's designed to function as more than just a wallet. It's a mini financial ecosystem powered by blockchain. However, the project is still evolving, which brings some risks. The user base is smaller compared to established wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, which can mean lower liquidity and fewer integrations. Also, as with many community-driven tokens, price volatility can be high. Returns can be attractive, but they depend heavily on the network's growth and activity, not guaranteed income. Another drawback is that BankSocial is limited in asset support. It's primarily focused on Ethereum and compatible tokens, meaning you won't be able to manage Bitcoin or other major chains yet. In summary, the BankSocial Wallet app offers a refreshing take on crypto finance by merging social responsibility with blockchain technology. If you believe in earning collectively and supporting community-driven growth, this app could be worth exploring. But as with any emerging platform, it's wise to balance optimism with caution, especially in a space that evolves as fast as DeFi.